Have you ever stared at a spreadsheet and just felt overwhelmed? It happens. But what if I told you that you could turn all that chaos into total clarity in just a few minutes? Well, today, that's exactly what we're going to do. We're breaking down Google Sheets into 5 essential skills that are going to make you feel like a data pro. So, let's dive in.
Does this look a little too familiar? Yeah, that feeling of just drowning in a sea of unorganized data. It's messy, it's confusing, and honestly, trying to find anything in there feels impossible. Today, we're going to fix that for good.
So here's the game plan. We're going to tackle this with 5 core skills. First, we'll get comfortable making changes to our data. Then we're going to learn how to clean it all up and make it look super professional. After that, we'll see how to pull in info from other places, work on it together as a team in real time, and finally, take our awesome work to go. Let's jump right into that first skill.
All right, skill number 1 is all about editing. Because let's be real, data is almost never static, right? Things are always changing. Prices get updated, details get corrected, scores get revised. Knowing how to edit your sheet quickly and accurately, that's the absolute first step to really mastering your data.
So for example, imagine you're a teacher and you've just regraded a test. You see Rahul's score needs to be updated from an 80 to a 90. In Google Sheets, it's so easy. You just click the cell, type in the new number, and hit enter. Boom! Just like that, your data is accurate and up to date.
I love this way of thinking about it. It's like correcting a notebook, but you don't have to deal with any of those messy eraser marks. It's clean, it's simple, and hey, if you make a mistake, a quick little keyboard shortcut undoes it instantly. It's totally worry-free.
Okay, so our data is accurate now, which is great. But is it easy to read? Does it make sense at a glance? That brings us to our next skill, formatting. This is where the magic happens. It's how we turn that wall of numbers into something that's clear, professional, and actually tells a story.
And you have a whole toolkit ready for this. You can make your headers bold, you can align your numbers so they look neat, add a splash of color to draw the eye, and of course, format your values as currency or dates or whatever you need. Remember, these aren't just for looks. Every single change you make adds a layer of meaning to your data.
I mean, just look at the difference here. It's night and day, right? On the left, you've got raw, kind of confusing data. On the right, a totally professional-looking table. See how just bolding the product names and formatting the price as currency makes it instantly understandable? It's the same information, just presented way more clearly.
Here's a great way to think about it. Formatting is like dressing your spreadsheet for success. You know, just like putting on neat clothes, good formatting makes your data look credible, professional, and ready to impress.
Okay, so we can edit our data and make it look fantastic. But what if your data is trapped somewhere else? You know, like in an old Excel file or a CSV. Well, our third skill, importing, is the key. It lets you unlock that data and bring everything into one central place.
And you know what? The process could not be any simpler. You just go up to the File menu, click on Import, and then you upload your file. Google Sheets will ask you a few quick questions, like if you want to create a new sheet or just add the data to the one you have, and that's it. It works perfectly with all the common file types like Excel and CSV.
So really, importing is just like inviting other files to join your spreadsheet party. You're not starting over from scratch, you're just expanding the guest list. This turns your one Google Sheet into the central hub for all your data, no matter where it came from.
All right, now for what I think is one of the most powerful features of Google Sheets, real-time collaboration. This skill is a total game changer. It solves that age-old problem of emailing different versions of a file back and forth and back and forth. With Sheets, everyone can work on the exact same document at the exact same time.
And sharing is unbelievably easy. You just click that big share button you see in the top right corner, type in your teammate's email, decide what they're allowed to do with the file, and hit send. That's literally it. They have access instantly.
And the best part is you have total control. You can make someone a viewer, which means they can only look. You can make them a commenter, so they can leave notes and suggestions without actually changing anything. Or you can make them an editor, giving them full access. This is so key for managing your data safely while still working together as a team. This analogy is just perfect. It's like passing around a group notebook in class, except everyone can write in it at the same time. You can imagine for things like a team budget or a project plan, this is huge. Everybody updates their own part in real time, and you have one single source of truth. Our final skill today is all about bridging the gap between the online world and the offline world. Because sometimes you just need a printable report, right? Or maybe a coworker needs that file in Excel format.
Downloading lets you take all your hard work out of Google Sheets and use it absolutely anywhere.
And you guessed it, it's another super simple 3-step process. You just go to the File menu, hover your mouse over Download, and then you just pick the format you need. The file saves right to your computer, ready to be emailed, printed, or opened up in a different program.
And you've got options for pretty much any situation. You can download it as an Excel file for your colleagues who use Microsoft Office. You can save it as a PDF for a nice, clean report that you can't edit. Or you can grab it as a CSV file if you need to pull that raw data into some other analysis tool.
So you can think of it like this. It's like printing out your online notebook for the real world. It's all about making your digital work tangible and useful, way beyond just a browser window. So let's do a quick recap. In just the last few minutes, you've actually picked up 5 incredibly powerful skills. I want you to think of them as your new spreadsheet superpowers for bringing order and clarity to any data that comes your way.
You now have the power to keep all your data current just by editing. You can make it look fantastic with professional formatting. You can bring all of your information together by importing it. You can work as a team seamlessly by sharing. And you can take your work anywhere by downloading it.
You've literally gone from being overwhelmed by a bunch of data to being in full control. These 5 skills, they're the foundation for everything else you're going to do in Google Sheets. So the only question left is, now that you have the tools, what are you going to build with your data?